When word of a winter storm warning came through, the drivers here at Mountain West Towing knew they were going to be on the clock all the time.
It was one of those things where you're driving up the hill, the wind got us, we were fishtailing, pumping brakes, I'm sliding forward, and then the trailer whipped us around like 180, and then we hit the side and flipped.
This happened last night on I-90 near Livingston. Olivia and a friend were coming back from camping, trying to stay ahead of the storm.
Looked at each other upside down and just made sure each other were okay, and then busted out my window to crawl out.
A trucker stopped to help, and first responders were at the scene. And the tow company, Mountain West Towing, who has already seen their fair share of work during this storm.
Well, it takes us from our regular 8 to 5 day into a 24-hour day. This morning we woke up to a half a dozen cars that just ran off the road, driving too fast, missed turns.
And the team is expecting similar conditions tonight, so if you're out, you may see some of those lights indicating a tow.
I would just say slow down and pay attention. My drivers are out there, and one bad decision can kill them.
Thankfully, Olivia and her passenger were unharmed after the crash.
Got this car to keep me safe and to do outside things.
All of that gear was in the car when they flipped.
I had a dog cover that attaches to the back of your headrests. As we flipped over, that dog cover came up and didn't let any of this hard stuff, like our 300-pound cooler, come forward.
Now, Olivia is unpacking her car, and the team at Mountain West Towing is getting ready for another night in the storm. In Belgrade, Jane McDonald, MTN News.